The first step in the registration process for portal access is to click the Register option. Next, enter the activation code provided by CURF and the tax ID or Social Security number on file, and click Activate. Next, you'll be prompted to enter in a user ID and enter a password, keeping in mind these password requirements. You will then be asked to enter an email address to confirm the account. And this is also where you will receive electronic correspondence. Next, answer your security question. And click Submit. Notice that the information does pop up on this screen here, and we'll click OK. And there will be an email sent to the address provided to confirm the account and log in.